What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we had this movement to the upside, that we cannot make a breakdown according to Elliott wave theory as our motive wave. We cannot have 5-wave structure in it. And this means I had a lot of doubts about the next potential movement of this asset. And for now, this asset again went higher from its lowest, its swing low, for about 58%. Huge movement to the upside. And at this time, as you can see, the volume is quite significant compared to this previous move. And I have to say that we are still not out of the woods, and that's why we have to be cautious. But for now, we have some bullish signs with this asset. So, and let's continue with the fundamentals. First of all, let me show you that the initial movement to the upside was made by this news, and they were testing the solid-state polymer cell battery, and they posted this news on February 28th, and a lot of investors might thought that this is the major catalyst for this company, but I have to say that it cannot be a long-term catalyst, at least for now, because the in-vehicle testing of this prototype is set for 2025, and its first generation EV crossover will be produced in 2024 with the traditional lithium-ion cell battery. And definitely it is a good sign for the company in general, but it cannot be the long-term catalyst for the price. And let me show you this article. We are an investor place, and this article was published just a couple of hours ago, and it says, why is Mullen Automotive stock up 70% this week? And definitely the main reason is their solid-state battery, and let me quote you this. Since the initial battery announcement, there have been no further substantial updates for Mullen. The stock continues to rise though, and it seems that social media momentum is also taking hold. Stock tweets message volume on Mullen has risen significantly, while Twitter users have continued to hype it up. And let me show you the stock tweets website. As you can see, on the most active session, MULN ticker symbol is on the 2nd place, and on the watchers section it is on the 4th place. So this means that this asset still has a lot of support from retail community. Let me show you its total market cap. Because of its low market cap of roughly $40 million, a lot of retail investors might drive the price of Mullen higher. And let me show you its recent news. And it was published on March the 9th, and it says, financial website Insider Monkey names Mullen Automotive a top penny stock to buy in March. And let me quote you this. Mullen Automotive, an emerging electric vehicle manufacturer, announces that a recently published article by Insider Monkey has named MULN ticker symbol a top penny stock with enormous growth potential to invest in during the month of March 2022. Founded in 2010, Insider Monkey is a finance website that uses a proprietary strategy to identify the best stock picks from exceptional hedge funds and insiders. Mullen has a tremendous long-term growth potential, and I'm glad to see that being recognized, said David Michery, CEO and chairman of Mullen Automotive. As mentioned in the article, our work in solid-state EV battery development with over 600 miles of range, along with 120 technology patents in 24 countries, are just a couple among many reasons why folks should have Mullen on their radar. Definitely, it might be a next catalyst that drives the price from this point to this one for more than 50%, as I already mentioned. But in my opinion, this momentum cannot hold for a long time. And I will try to show you why. So, first of all, this company is a very tiny company. They have only 44 employees, and as I already mentioned, they have a very low market cap. And they will produce their first vehicle not earlier than 2024. This means by this date we won't see major disruptions in its production, definitely they won't have any revenues from its sales. And definitely this longer period of investment in this asset might be with a huge volatility in its price. So, and let me show you the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's take a closer look on this recent movement, and let's switch to 10 minutes time frame. And right here we clearly see 5-wave structure. This is the first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. And this breakdown doesn't violate any Elliott wave theory rule, and we have 5-wave structure in the last wave. And let me switch to hourly time frame again. Right here we have several waves in this range, and in my opinion, for those of you who already follow my channel for quite some time, you know that the retracement should have a shape of a simple zigzag, and we might have 3 or 5 waves in our A wave, and probably this might be our A wave. The next movement, A, B, C, might be the B wave, and we have to have 5-wave structure in our C wave, and this might be the top of our C wave. And if it is the case, it is the retracement range from this top to this bottom. And in this case, as you can see, we have very good confluence with our Fibonacci retracement tool and the golden pocket. We almost hit this range, the most probable range of trend reversal, and definitely for now it becomes our major key point. And what should we expect next? In my opinion, in upcoming sessions, if we will break this range to the upside, and I have to say that according to all the indicators, we are not extremely on overbought territory. This means that the momentum might continue, especially if a lot of retail investors will jump into this asset. And the next range where we might land is the $2 price point. It is the psychological number and the confluence with our previous swing high. So, and if we won't hold this momentum, definitely we will see lower price action and we might break the bottom of our B wave. In this case, if we will break the range of roughly $1 to $95 price point, we will confirm this movement to the upside as a retracement, and most likely we will see lower prices with this asset for the longer period of time. So, and let me show you the bigger picture of this asset. If I switch to daily time frame, as you can see, this asset is losing its momentum since the November of 2021, and it lost from its swing high about 97% of its value. And definitely this movement to the downside should have a retracement, and as you can see, we didn't have this retracement yet. And if it is the case, if it is the retracement for entire movement to the downside, we have to have 5-wave structure or 3-wave structure in our first wave of retracement, and we have it. Then we have to have strictly 3-wave structure in our B wave, and we have it right here. And we have to have 5-wave structure in our C wave, and probably we will have this structure, but all in all, I have to say that we have to first of all break the golden pocket pattern at the price point of roughly $1.5 and $2 price point. In this case, we will confirm this movement to the upside as our retracement, and only in this case we might hit higher targets, but not for a long period of time. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!